ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಭಾಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭ. ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ 100 ವರ್ಷದ ಈ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಜ್ಜು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಭಾರತ್ ಜೋಡೋ ಭವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ತಾವು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು ತಮಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ನಾನು ನಮ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ತಾವು ಕೂಡ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ತಾವು ಬರಬೇಕು, ತಾವು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತುಂಬಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ವಿನಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೆಳಗಾಮಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬೆಳಗಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೇನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಭಾರತ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಲೋಗೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ 2ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಧಿವೇಶನ ಬೆಳಗಾಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಷದ್ದು ನಡೀತದೆ, ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿದು ನಡೀತದೆ. That is, we will disclose it later. I don't want to disclose it now. That is a big event. ಒಂದೇ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಊಟ ಬೇಕಾರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ನಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದೇ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟಿವಿನ ಪೇಪರ್ನ. ದಿನ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ದಿನಕ್ಕೊಂದೊಂದು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು.
ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Today I am very happy to be on this dais for a very important historic press briefing. The Congress party in Karnataka, we had a meeting, we have decided, we are very happy to inform that 100 years back, Sri Mahatma Gandhi ji took over the responsibility on the AIC's decision to be the president of the Indian National Congress. Under his leadership, with taking everyone together, all the leaders together, we have got the freedom, and it is a very great historic moment. So he took up the responsibility in Belgaum, in Karnataka. There is a very pride and proud moment for all the Kannadigas and Karnataka people. So the Congress party in Karnataka has taken an initiative to organize 1-year program on this great event, starting from October 2nd. The government of Karnataka has also initiated a program. Honorable Chief Minister also was being discussed. He also participated in the meeting. Separate funds have been allotted for the government program. So we are taking up in a very big way. It is a great pride moment for Karnataka. It is not the Congress event. It is the government's program cutting across the party line. We want to see that this important program will be conducted, taking every section of the society into confidence. See that the values, the history of the freedom movement and the Gandhi's path will be discussed with all sections of the society, including our school children. A separate program will be informed to you in the due course. On 2nd of October, we are having a Gandhi March, Gandhi Nedige, from Gandhi Bhavan to Gandhi statue at Vidhan Soudha. After that, my Chief Minister and all of us who are cutting across all the legislators will be paying our tribute to Mahatma Gandhi statue and Lal Bahadur statue. Also on the same day the birthday is there. After that, we are having in the banquet hall, we are having a Pratigna Svikara, vote-taking ceremony. About 500 institutions in Bangalore city will be participating. And in all the taluk level and the district level, we have issued a guidelines circular to the government, from the government to all the district administration to conduct a similar way, 1 kilometer of march, and all of them should take a pledge. We are sending the pledge, and a government program should be marked on celebrating the Mahatma Gandhiji. Though it is a holiday, they have to celebrate the festival. This will be a government program in all the 225 assembly or the taluk headquarters and the district headquarters under the leadership of from the district administration. We have requested and directed all our legislators and the ministers to be participate in their concerned assembly and the district program which has been conducted. Apart from that, we have decided, the Congress party in Karnataka have decided to have a separate one more program. This will start at 9 and it will end up by 10:30. At 11 o'clock, the same type of program we are starting from Gandhi statue in the MG Road Circle, which is adjacent to the stadium. From there to the Bharat Jodo Bhavan, we will have a Gandhi Nadige walk, and all the party cadres will participate. All the sections of the party, we have more than 21 frontal organizations and other departments, and all the block presidents and the deputy DCC presidents and the team will be participating in the march. All in both the sections, in both the programs, we will all be requesting everyone to wear a cap, try to wear a white color dress, to Gandhi cap with a white color dress, so that we have to pay our respect and communicate to the youngsters and the new generation the value, the ethical values and the moral footings of Mahatma Gandhiji, which is our bound duty as a Congress government and the Congress party in this state. So this is our program, and in Karnataka, in the Gandhi, in our Bharat Jodo Bhavan, about more than an hour, a program will be there. And here also it will be connected with the Zoom to all the taluk level headquarters. We have guided them. A link will be established to them. There is a big link, and they will also participate. It will be two-way. In all the blocks of the assembly segment, we have directed them that Gandhi Jayanti program should be organized in a different way. And the Congress party and the government is going to make this program. It will be a 1 year program. We will discuss on the timing, discuss on the places in a different way. We are going to celebrate, because we are very proud that Gandhiji took this responsibility as the ACC president to lead this nation for the freedom struggle. This is the important decisions we have taken finally today under all our former PCC president and our office bearers on this important occasion. I want all your support, cooperation to see that our values of Gandhiji will be shared among all the new generation. Thank you.
Sir, the funds for the party program, the funding for the party program?
Party program funding is being done by the party workers. Party workers are very sound, very capable. 10 rupees to 1000 rupees, 1000 rupees to 10 lakhs they can give. And all MLAs are giving 125,000 rupees every month. They are reading and they are giving to me 25,000 rupees. I am just pocketing them. They are giving. So they are giving 25,000 rupees.
Sir, BJP ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧದ ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವ ಆಚರಣೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇಂದಿರಾ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧದ ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
See, BJP doesn't know the value and ethical value and the history of the Congress party. History of this country is Congress history. Gandhi family has kept this country united. Indira Gandhi also has participated in the freedom struggle. Mahatma Gandhi ji was in jail. Indira Gandhi ji was also participated. Jawaharlal Nehru was jailed. Motilal Nehru was jailed. Gandhi family has taken up a very big. It is not only Gandhi ji, and it is. I am telling you, there are the leaders in the Congress party who stood for this one. BJP doesn't know the value of freedom struggle. They have not participated. Their party was not born. It is only the Congress party was born on those days.
Sir, Gandhi is in the Congress. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel BJP.
All are no.
ಜನರು ಇದಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಜನ ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವೇನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನ ನಾಯಕತ್ವವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿ ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿದಂಥ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಭೂಮಿಲಿ ಈ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿನ ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಾಗಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದವರಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಸೇರಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Now has stated that 1,200 crore rupees is there with both the BJP and Congress workers to topple the Congress government. 1,200 crore rupees, Yatnal says, is there with both BJP and Congress leaders to topple and destabilize the Congress government.
See, you have to take this as a separate case. It was a very big shocking to the entire nation. 1,200 crores rupees has been collected and kept to topple the Congress government. This is the statement of the Honorable Union Minister, former Union Minister and present MLAs with a group of MLAs sitting with him, which I saw in the press conference. So the Congress party has decided to lodge a complaint, file a complaint before the concerned authorities, and the investigation will go on. Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.